Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach about how to make money online via Shutterstock. So the Shutterstock, which is a contributor, you have to join as a contributor. You already know what is Shutterstock. You might have downloaded any images if you want. Okay, so we have a Shutterstock flowers. If you have downloaded any flowers, any whatever images, if you Google it, you can get it on it. That is all the images are uh, based on the Shutterstock. You will be able to download. These are the images. We will be able to upload this kind of images into Shutterstock and make money online. That okay. So that's how I have made this kind of money. Only not images. You can create the vector arts. Vector arts, vector illustration, vector flowers. If you search on it, so these are the platforms which will be you can upload it here. This chart here, there are plenty of platforms are there. Okay, so these flowers which will be uploaded in the Shutterstock Adobe Stock, you will be able to make money on that. Okay, once the customer buy you can earn money online from that. Okay, so these are the things we will be able to make passive income in our life. So here this month I could earn $9.29 via Shutterstock. So you can see I have only images portfolio, 107 portfolios there. Okay, if it is imagine I have a more than 10,000 portfolio, I could earn more than that per month. Okay, so I could earn simply $300 simply. Okay, so in Shutterstock we can earn plenty of way to make money on it. First time we can upload the portfolio, and once the user see your portfolio, if it is good across your profile, if they download it, you will be able to make money online. Other hand, you have you have to create this profile and you have to promote your Facebook or Insta or any other platform, and once a user registered, you can earn via the referential link. You will be able to make money on that. Okay, so that you can referential the here earning here by my referral. Okay, so here this is my referral. Here there are users are joined, but they are not uploading any portfolio. That's why. Okay, if they upload that portfolio and if they earn, I also get the commission. Okay, once you earn some money, I also get the commissions. Okay, through that kind of situation also we can earn money online. And the third things, click on the portfolio. There is an option called catalog manage, catalog data catalog. If you go to the data catalog, what are the photo rejected by Shutterstock? Okay, these photos are rejected, but you still earn money online via the data licensing. The data licensing means once the user when they going to create that AI arts via Shutterstock also giving in the AI art something options. Okay, so that these kind of images they are used to do that kind of arts, you will be able to make money online. This is a data license. Okay, the data license also we will be able to make money online. Okay, so data license also have this photo also not rejected, they convert as Shutterstock contributors account as a data log. Okay, so once the image is rejected, don't worry about that. Okay, the Shutterstock automatically convert as a data catalog. You will be able to make money on that. Okay, that money pay once a time per year. But if you have a long, if you have I have only the 107 assets. If you have more than 10,000 assets in your Shutterstock account, you will be able to earn money more. Okay, so that's how we can earn money online from Shutterstock contributors. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, this is how we can earn money online.